Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Curiosity Uncovered. Today I'm going to take you through a frog dissection pointing out some of the most important organs. Let's get to it. So here is our frog for today's dissection. As you can see, they have these extremely muscular legs to allow for that powerful jumping, but we're actually going to take a look at its internal organs. So we're going to start by cutting a little T shape. This one's already partially cut. And just pull the skin flaps back. And then all of this right here is just muscle. So we're actually going to cut through that as well and cut off this skin just so we can see a bit better. And what we're starting to see here, all these like yellow noodly looking bits are the fatty bodies. So these fatty bodies, they store extra energy for the frog that they can use during hibernation, breeding season, or long periods without food. And it also helps keep them warm in those colder winter months. If you hear that snap right there, cutting through a bone right here. And once again, just going to pull this muscle back to give us a better view. And that's all I'm taking off right here is just this muscle. All right. And then once we get some of these fatty bodies out of the way, the first thing that's the most prominent in our frog is the liver. And that's this blue structure right here. It's got 3 lobes to it. It's quite large. As you can see, it takes up most of the abdominal cavity on top of everything else. And this helps filter harmful substances from the blood, and it stores nutrients and also produces bile to help with digestion. And since our liver is so large and kind of covering all the other organs, I'm going to go ahead and take that out as well so we can get a better look at what's underneath. As you can see, that 3-lobed liver is very, very large. All right. Next, we have our heart right here. And as we all know, the heart is what pumps oxygen-rich blood and nutrient-rich blood all throughout the organ systems to help the frog function in its everyday life. Got some more fatty bodies here that I'm just going to pull out and get out of our way. Oh, we also have, looks like a female frog because here are some egg sacs right here. Yep. Female frog. Sometimes it can be a little hard to maneuver everything around in here so we can see it because they are pretty tiny. Next, we're going to take a look at the stomach. Stomach right here is pretty large as well. And the stomach is going to lead down to the pancreas, the small intestines, and then the large intestines back here. You can see these twisted up intestines right back here. There we go. Now, the stomach, of course, is responsible for breaking down and digesting the food, and then the small and large intestines will absorb the nutrients from that food for the frog to use. And then the pancreas is going to produce digestive enzymes to help the stomach break down all of that food. And sometimes, depending on how recently the frog ate, if we cut open this stomach, we're actually able to see what it ate. If it has completely digested its food or if it's only partially digested it. So let's see. Oh. Looks pretty empty. Only a little bit of partially digested food, so that means this frog had not eaten recently. All right, next we're going to take a look at the gallbladder, which can be kind of hidden and kind of be up here underneath where the liver was and underneath the heart a little bit. All right, so the gallbladder actually came out with our liver here because it's located right underneath the liver, so it would be situated like this, and then you flip it over, And we have the little gallbladder. Super tiny right there. It's this small, like greenish sac right under the liver, and it stores and releases bile into these small intestines to help the digestive fats move more efficiently. And then on either side of the heart here, we have the lungs. They're kind of hard to see because, of course, they are deflated right now. But here is its right lung, and then over here, its left lung. And then we have very big egg sac right here. Definitely a female. All right, I took out a few more things so you guys can see better. And right here we have our 2 kidneys on either side of the abdomen, and their job is to help filter waste from the blood, remove excess water, and help maintain the proper balance of salts in the body. So just a little review. When we first open our frog, the first thing we are going to see is our 3-lobed liver. That's going to take up the majority of the abdominal cavity. We're also going to see these egg sacs if we have a female frog. If it's a male frog, you might see some testes down here. Underneath the liver, we are going to have our stomach. That leads into our pancreas, and then our small intestines over here, down to our large intestines. And then we just have more of these fatty bodies that are tucked all the way around the various organs. On the back side of our liver, we have that gallbladder that produces bile for digestive aid right there, that little tiny pea. And then, of course, the most important organ of all, the heart, to pump blood throughout the entire body. All right, everyone. I hope you enjoyed today's curiosity. Let us know if you'd like to see any more animal dissections in the future, and we'll see you next time.